Hello students, today we are going to revise chapter 6. Name is tissues. What are tissues? Cluster of cells which are specializing in one function are grouped together at a definite place in the body, and these cells constitute a tissue. All tissues are categorized as simple tissue and complex tissue. If all the cells are present in a tissue are similar in structure, origin and function, it is called simple tissue. If it contains more than one type of simple tissue, then it is known as compound tissues. Tissues are present in all multicellular organisms, whether plant or animals. So today we will revise plant tissues. Plant tissues are categorized into two categories: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues are the whose cells are capable of division, and they are divided into three categories: apical, lateral and intercalary. Apical, these are present at the tip of the root and shoot. It helps in the increase the length of the stem and the root. Next is the lateral. Lateral we can say cambium. These are present below bark, cambium in dicot root, dicot stem, and they are present near the nodes. Its function is to increase the in length of the node and growth of leaves. Next is the intercalary meristematic tissue. Where are these present? These are present at the side of the roots and stem, and its function is to increase in the growth of the stem and root. Next is the permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are divided into two categories: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues have three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma are divided into two categories: chlorenchyma and parenchyma. Parenchyma, they are the living cells. It consists of unspecialized cell with thin cell wall. You can see here structure. This tissue provides support to plant and also store food. Chlorenchyma means in some situation it contains chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis, and then it is called chlorenchyma. And in aquatic plant, large air cavities are present in the parenchyma to give buoyancy to the plant to help them float. So such plant parenchyma type is aerenchyma. So next is the collenchyma. Collenchyma, the flexibility in plant is due to the collenchyma tissue. It allows easy bending in various parts of a plant. Next is the sclerenchyma tissue. Sclerenchyma, it is the tissue which make the plant hard and stiff. Example, husk of coconut is made up of sclerenchymatous tissue. Next is the complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissues are divided into two categories: xylem and phloem. As you know, these are the tissues which are present at the roots, and phloem, this is present at the leaves. And xylems have four types: tracheids, vessel, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Next, phloem has 5 types: sieve tubes, sieve plates, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. In xylem, We can tracheids and vessels are tubular structure. This allows them to transport water and mineral vertically. The parenchyma store food, helps in sideway conduction of water, and fibers are mainly sportive in function. Next is the infloem, sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem fiber, and phloem parenchyma are present. Sieve tubes are tubular cells with perforated end walls. Phloem is unlike xylem in that material can move in both directions. Except for phloem fiber, phloem cells are living cells. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.